Ame-no-Uzume is one of Japanese mythology's most fascinating figures. Referred to as the goddess of joy, dance, and dawn, she has a crucial role to play in one of Shintoism's most famous tales, the return of light to the world. According to legend, in a very ancient time, when the gods roam among mortals, something terrible happened. The goddess of the sun and sovereign of the heavens, Amaterasu, hid in a cave. It all started with a quarrel between herself and her brother, the gods of storm Susanoo. In a fit of temper, he destroyed rice fields and defiled a sacred shrine, angering Amaterasu. Embarrassed and outraged, she retreated into the heavenly cave known as Ame-no-Iwato and shut the entrance with a colossal stone. The world was devoured by darkness without Amaterasu. The fields withered, the creatures recoiled, and even the other gods felt the burden of the loss of light and warmth. Troubled by the fate of the world, the minor deities, known as the kami, met to discuss how to bring back the sun goddess. Halfway through the council, the goddess of joy and dance, Ame-no-Uzume, burst onto the scene. With a naughty twinkle in her eye, she said, "Leave that to me. If the light is hidden, it is because the world has forgotten how to laugh. I will bring Amaterasu back with the power of joy." Uzume called for a barrel and stood it up on the front of the cave. She poured sake into it, the wine of the gods, then tapped her feet on the floor, forming a pulsating rhythm. She slowly began to dance. At first, she was graceful, but soon her steps became comical and teasing. She shook her hips, pulled up her robes, and made funny faces that drew laughter from the gods around her. Her laughter resounded through the valleys and mountains, a sound the world had not tasted for a long time. From inside her cave, Amaterasu wondered what could be so entertaining in a world plunged into darkness. Driven by curiosity, she glanced through the opening in the colossal stone. Right then, the gods held up a polished mirror in the front of the entrance. Amaterasu noticed her reflection and, intrigued, stepped out to take a closer look. When she fully emerged, the gods swiftly blocked off the cave, preventing her from hiding again. Sunlight washed over the world again, bringing life to the fields and warmth to hearts. The gods celebrated, and Ame-no-Uzume was honored as a heroine who, with her joy and creativity, brought back balance back to the universe. From then on, Ame-no-Uzume has been remembered as the goddess of expression and celebration. Her name is echoed in theaters and festivals, a reminder that, even in the darkest times, joy can bring back the light. In contemporary times, Ame-no-Uzume is revered as a protector of the performing arts and celebration. Her myth is reminiscent in Japanese ceremonies and festivals, particularly in contexts involving theater, dance, and traditional performances.